a look at my new portable air conditioner. So this is going to come with everything we need for installation. It even has batteries for our handy remote. Installation is quick and easy with our great user guide. So let's get this set up and then we can start cooling down my very hot house. So here's a good look at all the materials that it comes with. No additional assembly tools are required. So it's easy to install in your bedroom or any other room with a hung window or slide window with the included kit. And thanks to that great fast connector design, we can easily and successfully install it. It's also super easy to move around into any room with 2 side handles and 4 360-degree castor wheels. So this portable air conditioner combines 5 energy efficient functions for all of our needs. Those are cool, fan, dehumidify, auto, and sleep. All those modes are in this one great machine. The all-in-one touch panel offers a range of useful functions like swing and the 24-hour timer, so we can get the coolness wherever and whenever we need it. We can also operate this portable air conditioner anywhere within 26 feet away with that handy remote control. You can choose to start or stop cooling, change the mode, or set the temperature time anywhere with DuraComfort app. It also works with Amazon Alexa, Hey Google, and you can change the settings with simple voice commands. This one air conditioner can cool up to 450 square feet. The 12,000 BTU ASHRAE and 8,500 BTU SACC CEC compact air conditioner will keep you cool in the summer. So one pretty cool feature this has is that easy-to-use remote also includes a follow me function, which allows the remote to act as the thermostat, allowing for more precise temperature control. It also features that top-mounted LED display with 24-hour timer.